3 ways to make high ticket sales online and of course to make money. So if that's a topic that you've been searching for, you've landed on exactly the right video. I'm going to be sharing a lot of content with you today, so if you get value from the content, make sure to go ahead and subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and if you have any questions, then leave them in the comment section at the bottom of this video. So my name is Fraser Thom. I specialize in helping people closing high ticket sales. That's what I do. Personally and with my teams, we've been responsible for multiple 7 figures in revenue with high ticket sales over the last 4 years or so. Programs from $3,000 all the way up to $30,000. So people often ask me, Fraser, what are 3 ways that I can get involved and make some high ticket sales? How do I do it? Well, the first one, and sometimes the most attractive one, is to actually set up and sell your own coaching program. Why is it so attractive? Well, it's attractive because you get to keep 100% of the commissions, right? You're selling your own program. You sell it for $3,000, $10,000, $20,000. You get to keep that revenue. It's your program. The downside to that is you then have to fulfill on the coaching program. You then have to actually do the coaching. You sell the program, you fulfill in it. You may provide weekly, monthly, group coaching, one-on-one coaching, whatever it is. You have to do the work. That then can often take people's eye off the ball. It can take people's focus away from maybe what they got involved for in the first place, which was that high ticket sales. So yeah, look, personal coaching, your own coaching programs are great, but there's a lot of work, a ton of work involved. The second option that many people get involved in because they don't want to fulfill is affiliate marketing. What is affiliate marketing? Well, affiliate marketing is when you actually sell someone else's programs. Usually in this space, they are coaching mentorship programs. So you're selling on behalf of someone else who then fulfills the program for you. What does that mean? As an affiliate marketer, you'll generally be paid around 40 to 50% commission depending on the program, which is still a lucrative number if you're selling $3,000, $10,000, $20,000 programs. The thing is with affiliate marketing though, is very, very competitive. That's one problem. The other thing is, and I find this a lot, that people don't actually know how to close people into the program. Whether it's you as the affiliate marketer or the person you're selling for, they often don't have the skills to close people into those high ticket sales. What does that mean? They're leaving a lot of money on the table. So affiliate marketing, setting up your own coaching, either one of those two, you're definitely going to benefit from the training that I've linked in the description below this video, The Secrets of Selling, where I teach you how to actually close more people into your opportunity or into your affiliate opportunity so that you're not leaving so much money on the table. The third option is sales coaching. What is sales coaching? That is when you become part of a sales coaching team. You're selling coaching programs for someone else. You don't earn as much as an affiliate marketer perhaps would earn at 40 to 50%, but you do earn very large and chunky commissions. You don't sell your own programs, so you do not have to then fulfill on the actual program itself. Once you make the sale, your job is done. It's handed on to someone else. And the biggest benefit about sales coaching that I've recognized in my time is that someone else provides you the leads. Okay, so you don't have to do the marketing, you don't have to do the fulfillment, you just have to do the selling. So for many people it's very attractive. You're actually fed with a steady stream of leads depending on who it is you're coaching for, and your job is to then sell the coaching program or the mentorship program. Personally, I've seen many people go from total rookie with no experience whatsoever to joining sales coaching teams and making $10,000 to $20,000 consistently per month. So it's a very attractive opportunity for many people. So 3 options there, 3 of the options that are out there, but I think the 3 most attractive options for most people. And when it boils down to it, if you want to do the least amount of work for the biggest reward, I would usually say that sales coaching would be my preferred choice if I was getting involved from the start right now. So if you found value from this, as I said earlier, go ahead, subscribe to the channel, Click the notification bell, make sure that you're notified when the next video goes live. And if you have any questions at all, click in the comments your question, type in the comments your question, and make sure to grab that training that's also linked in the description, where I'm going to show you, along with my business partner, how to close more people into those high ticket sales programs, coaching programs, whatever it might be. All right, I hope that was valuable. I look forward to seeing you on the next video. See you soon. Bye bye.